So we're gonna read the Bible right now. So find First Corinthians 15:33.
Got it.
So it says, "Don't let anyone fool you. Bad companions make a good person bad." So it means that when a man is doing good things and he hangs out with evil people, that means that he turns into a bad person, right? So he turns into a bad person. Then God puts His hand on him. Then he turned into a good person. 'Cause Jehovah is the best. So remember to not let anyone fool you, 'cause they're bad. Like Satan is. Right? Like Satan is. Okay, so we're going to talk about the Ten Commandments, okay? So the Ten Commandments are: the first commandment, worship only God. Second, don't have idols. And then the third one, don't use God's name in vain. Fourth one, remember the Sabbath. Fifth one, honor your father and mother. So the sixth one, don't kill. To not kill. And the seventh one, if you're married, stay married. The eighth one, do not steal. Ninth one, never tell lies. And the last one, never use God's name. Oh wait, let me see something. Never decide what people has. And then you have to say, and cut.